Hello and welcome back. It's time for another Mr. Witty video, and this is on Chapter 10, Lesson 8, Factoring Cubic Polynomials. And there's a lot of different concepts we're going to try to cover in these videos today, so let's get rolling. Here's the first one that we're going to take a look at. Today you're going to see some polynomials, and your objective is going to be to find the greatest common factor. To factor that out and then see if you can simplify it anymore. So in this first expression, we have 9x cubed plus 6x squared plus 18x. Find the greatest common factor first. It's always a good thing to do. So if we look at this, we have 9, 6, and 18. All three of those numbers can be divided by a value of 3. And so we're going to take out a 3. The other thing you want to notice is that this has x cubed, this has x squared, and this has an x. They each have a value of x. So let's factor out an x as well. So 3x is what we factor out. And then we're going to write in what's left over. So 3x times what gives you 9x cubed? Well, that's going to be 3x squared. And 3x times what gives you 6x squared? Well, that's going to be another plus 2x. And 3x times what gives you 18x? Well, 3 times 6 is 18, so another plus 6. And we don't have to add an x because we already got the x here. So this is how you factor out a greatest common factor. And then you would probably check to see if you can factor this anymore. In this example, you can't factor it anymore, so this is your final answer. You could check, but it is in lowest form. We're done. Example number 2 over here is entitled Factor Completely. And the way we're going to do this one is to do the first step we did over here, but then take this trinomial at the end and factor it one more time. So let's check this one. 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 8x. What can we factor out of 2x cubed, 10x squared, and 8x? I think we can factor out a 2x. Then what's left? 2x times what gives you 2x cubed? That's going to be an x squared. 2x times what gives you negative 10x squared? How about a minus 5x? And then 2x times what gives you this 8x? It's going to be plus 4. And that is we've just taken out the greatest common factor, and now we're going to see if we can factor out this trinomial a little bit more. So we leave the 2x on the outside, and if we look at this, it's positive 4, but it's negative here, so it's minus 4 times x minus 1. Let's check to see if that works. It's a positive 4, negative 4x, another negative 1x, it's negative 5. That would check, and so now that is going to be your final answer. You've now factored this correctly, and that's the final answer we want in your textbook, and you've done a nice job. Thanks for watching. Check for more videos soon.